In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS to your Squarespace website. If you want more control over the look and feel of your site, adding custom CSS is a great way to make design changes beyond the built-in style settings. This can help you fine-tune spacing, colors, fonts, buttons, and other visual details so your website matches your brand more closely. To get started, log into your Squarespace dashboard and go to the main site settings area. From there, click on Website. This is where you'll find the core options related to your site's structure and configuration. Once you're in the website section, click on Pages. Even though custom styling isn't a page itself, Squarespace places this option within the area where you manage your website content and related settings. If this is your first time working here, take a moment to notice the menu layout so it's easier to find again later. Next, look for and click on Custom Code. This section is where Squarespace allows you to add code-based customizations to your site. It's useful for advanced edits that go beyond the standard visual editor, and it includes tools for adding your own styling. After that, click on Custom CSS. This opens the dedicated editor where you can add CSS rules that affect your website's appearance. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it's the language used to control how elements on a web page are displayed. So if you want to adjust things like text size, background colors, margins, or hover effects, this is the place to do it. Now, paste your code into the custom CSS editor. Make sure the code is clean and properly formatted so it works as expected. It's also a good idea to review it carefully before saving, especially if you're copying it from another source. Even a small typo can prevent the styling from applying correctly. As you paste in your CSS, keep in mind that changes here can affect multiple parts of your site at once. So it's best to test your updates and preview how they look across different pages and screen sizes. That way, you can make sure your design stays consistent and user-friendly. And that's it. Once your code is in place, your Squarespace site will use those custom styles wherever the CSS applies. This is one of the simplest ways to personalize your website more deeply without changing your content.